Force restarting is a quick and useful way to fix many common problems that occur in your device, such as network errors, bad signals, iPhone stops responding, etc. If your iPhone doesn't force restart, this video will provide you with several attainable methods. Part 1. Correct way to force restart. iPhone 8 and later. Press the volume up button once, press the volume down button once, press and hold the side button, and do it once the Apple logo appears. iPhone 7 or 7 Plus. Hold the volume down button and the sleep, wake button, when the Apple logo shows, and do them. iPhone 6 and earlier. Hold the sleep, wake button and the home button, when the Apple logo appears, and do the two buttons. If you do operate correctly but it still doesn't work, it's time to fix your iOS system. Method 1. Factory reset iPhone. Go to Settings, General, Transfer, or Reset iPhone. Erase all content in Settings. And click Continue. Here you need to enter your passcode. Method 2. Restore iPhone using iTunes. Connect your iPhone to your computer, launch iTunes, find your iPhone. Choose Summary and click Restore iPhone. Method 3. Repair iOS system using Joyoshare UltFix. Joyoshare UltFix is capable to fix a large number of problems on the latest iOS 16 and iPhone 14 series. No matter whether your iPhone won't hard restart or it's disabled, it will be repaired with no data loss. Besides, Joyoshare UltFix offers another 3 features: upgrade, downgrade iOS system, factory reset iOS device, and free enter/exit recovery mode. It is the one that has the capability to make force restart succeed again. Step 1. Run Joyoshare UltFix and plug your iPhone to your computer. Enter iOS system repair, click Start. Step 2. Choose standard repair mode to fix your iPhone. If your iPhone can be scanned and recognized successfully, you can move to the next step. If it is not, you have to get your iPhone into DFU recovery mode first, and the instruction will guide you to do that. Step 3. Check whether your iOS version is right or not, and Joyoshare UltFix will offer a matching firmware package. Then click Download, and it will be downloaded and verified automatically. Step 4. After verifying, click Repair to fix your iPhone. Once the Finish button appears, your iPhone Force Restart feature will work again. This is the end of this video. If you like this video, do not forget to subscribe our channel. See you next time.